everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meena. You are watching Bella Fashionista. Does your skin feel dry, patchy, rough once in a while? I am here to help you remove all of them at once. Today I am here with a DIY coffee scrub which I am using personally on my skin that helps to remove dead and rough skin at once. This scrub will definitely help you to clean the pores from the surface of your skin, and this scrub has no side effects because I'm using all natural ingredients to make this scrub, and it's extremely important to remove that dead and dry skin away by exfoliating at least once in a week. This DIY scrub I am showing in this video will help you to remove all the dead, patchy and dry skin at once, which makes your skin feel softer and smoother. So first let us see how to make this scrub, and at the end of the video we'll discuss some suggestions on certain skin types.
To make this coffee scrub, I'm going to be taking a mixing bowl to mix all of them together. I'm going to add half a cup of grounded coffee into it. Coffee has sand-like texture which makes great exfoliant in homemade scrubs. Now I'm going to add half a cup of sugar into it, and sugar works as the granules in this homemade scrub. Making a coffee scrub at home is super easy as you require just a handful of ingredients. Now just mix both the ingredients evenly, and the final step will be adding any of your favorite oils into this scrub. You can also mix it with various ingredients to enhance your experience, like adding lemons, essential oils, vanilla extract, etc. Now I'm adding half a cup of olive oil into this mixture. You can also add coconut oil or sweet almond oil according to your skin type. Guys, let me tell you the best part of this scrub. Ground coffee works as a refreshing face scrub that helps in unclogging the pores to remove toxins and bring back your skin's natural glow. Because it doesn't dissolve easily in water, you can use it well to deeply cleanse your skin. And coffee is a great source of antioxidants, vitamin B3, that helps to reduce inflammation and hyperpigmentation. Mix it well until everything is evenly mixed, then transfer into a clean and dry container. If you have cellulite or stretch marks, this is just great in removing it by regular usage. Just take a clean and dry container that you have at your home and transfer all of the mixture into it. You can keep this coffee scrub in your bathroom cabinet, and you can use it whenever you feel like exfoliating your skin. This scrub is just great and also inexpensive. It works more effective than the scrubs that are available in the market. You can also decorate it with any robe that you have at your home to make it look really pretty. And this is how it looks so beautiful like this. Now I'm going to show you how to use this homemade scrub on your skin. There are two ways to use this scrub which I'm going to tell you in this video. And the first method is you can take out some scrub and use it on your dry skin and exfoliate it really well before you take bath. For the second method, we will need a face wash or body wash. If you are using for face, you can use face wash into this scrub, and if you are using for body, you can use body wash into it. So I'm going to take a little amount of body scrub in a small container, and then I'm going to add little bit of face wash into it and mix it really well to get a required consistency. This scrub is excellent in remove all the dead skin away, and it makes your skin look fresh, tight and firm. This is how the consistency looks like, and I will show you in live how it works and what difference it makes on your skin. Now I'm just taking a little bit of scrub on my hand to show you how it works. It has both cleansing and exfoliating properties because we have added little bit of face wash into the scrub. It deeply cleanses and exfoliates your skin at the same time. I just love this coffee scrub and I've been using this for 5 years, and it's always the best thing that you can do for yourself than using that chemical based exfoliators or scrubs. Once it's done, pat dry your skin using a towel. You can clearly see it removed all the dirty, dead and dry skin in just one use. You can use this scrub on your body, neck, elbows and hands. For that, all you have to do is just take little bit of body scrub and add your favorite shower gel or body wash and use it as your scrub. And I can tell honestly that it works magically on your skin than any other expensive scrubs.
So now I hope you know how to make this simple coffee scrub at your home. So now let us discuss some skin concerns based on your skin types. If you have oily or acne prone skin, you should use coconut oil to make this scrub. If you have dry or mature skin, it is better to use sweet almond oil or olive oil. If you have normal skin, you can use any oil like almond, olive or coconut. No matter what your skin type is, you should exfoliate your skin at least once in a week. If you have oily skin, it is better to exfoliate twice in a week. So I hope you got some good information. Thank you so much for watching this. If you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe, bell button, like, share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.